In this video, I will show you how to download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PS5. Now basically, you want to make sure that your PS5 is connected to the internet, and then just head over to the PlayStation Store over here and then scroll down and then head over to the top search bar at the top right corner of your PS5. So just scroll horizontally and then come over to the top until you get to this search icon over here. Go ahead and select it. Now you want to go ahead and start typing Call of Duty Black Ops, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 option over here. Now scroll down and then go ahead and select it over here. Now as you can see, it is actually showing that it is already on my library, and you will definitely get the same thing on your PS5 as well if you already have other versions of the Call of Duty app on your PS5. But then for us to be able to get the Black Ops 6 version, what you just want to do is to go ahead and select it anyways. So go ahead and select it even though it is already showing in your library. And then the next thing you want to do is to just scroll over to this three dot icon over here using your thumb stick over here. Then go ahead and just select that option. Now go ahead and click on View Product, just like so. From here, you can go ahead and purchase the Call of Duty Black Ops 6. You can also scroll down to see some videos and previews of the game before downloading it. And once you're ready, you want to go ahead and click on the purchase button over here and pay this particular price tag for you to get the game. Another thing you can actually do is to come over to this three dots icon over here and then go ahead and select the version of the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 you actually want to install into your PS5. So you can go ahead and choose the Vault version over here, or you can just go with the standard version by just clicking on this one over here. So you just want to go ahead and click on it just like so, and then you want to go ahead and click on the order and pay button over here. Now this is the total price I'll be paying for this particular game with the taxes, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. And now I'll proceed to enter my credit card inside of the credit card option over here. At this point, you can go ahead and scan the QR code over here to insert your credit card, or you can even just use your controller over here. So you can scroll down and select use controller and then go ahead and enter your credit card details over here. For the purpose of security, I won't be entering my credit card details in this particular page, but basically what you just want to do is to go ahead and enter your credit card details, and automatically you should be able to purchase the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PS5. Once you make payments, you will also be allowed to choose whether you want to download the PS5 version of the game or the PS4 version of the game. And that is basically how to purchase, download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.